Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm gonna explain about the never keyword, how to use it in TypeScript. So this never keyword, I will show you how to use it. So this never keyword is not if you are working with not returning value. For example, if you are not returning anything, you may use this never keyword. Okay, so the sound seems a little bit confused, but let me show you in practice. Okay, so never.ts. okay, so for example, let me create a new function called for example, my error, which equal my error. I'm creating a function. Okay, so this is for the scenario of, let me comment it, that for example, if you are working with a function that's if you are with a function always throws an error. So if you are working with a with modern stack like MongoDB, React, Express, in some scenarios you may use throws error functions to handle that error. Okay, so when you use that kind of error, you may use this function. Okay, for example, you can say like throw a new error, and this is an error, and you have to use in this never keyword in here, and you may say like error, and this is a string. Okay, then you can type this like this, error or plus error. You can concatenate it in here. Okay, so now if you are using like this, you can use the never keyword if you are working with to handle different kind of error in your project. You can use this never keyword. Okay, so the second scenario is that if you are handling, or if you are working with an infinite loop. For example, let me say that const, and I'm gonna say like my loop, my infinite, which equals to, for example, I may use a keyword never in here, and also returning that while something is true, and I'm gonna say something is happened. Okay, so now if you are handling that infinite loop, or if you are working with infinite loop, you have to use this never keyword, okay, in your function. Okay, so don't forget that to use this never if you are handling that the loop is executed while infinite times. Okay, so there is no limit, it goes until your machine breaks. Okay, so in this case you may use this never. I know this is weird, but you have to know also this concept. And the last, you have to know this never keyword is that when you are using a variable that can never have a value, or that have no value. If you are using a variable that has no value, for example, let me say that late name is a string. Okay, late name is a string, and or it says that the red line I cannot reload because variable name also was declared here. Okay, for example, let x is equals to a number, and let me say that for example, let me say that for something condition, or for example, if I'm creating a function, let me say that calculator, and this function have may use this never keyword, and I may say like while true, and I may say like something condition in here, or I can assign this variable to a calculator. Okay, so now if you are look at this, I'm not assigning I'm not giving any value to this variable, but I just assigned to this function. Okay, so this is kind of weird, but if you are working with functions that throw error, if you are working with a function that may loop infinite times, if you are working with a variable that have no value, you may use this never keyword. Okay, so this is in TypeScript. I know it is confusing a little bit, but you have to understand that how to use this never keyword in TypeScript. Okay, so this is for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this TypeScript tutorial. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.